Today you'll learn, why should you weave in yarn ends? Weaving in yarn ends secures your stitches and gives your project a clean, finished look.
Ends left. Right here I have an end where I bound off, then I've got one on the cast on end. What you do is you take your yarn needle and you just, on the wrong side, you're going to hide the ends by running the end through the stitches. You just go in one direction for a while, and what you have to really watch for is that you do not let it show on the right side. I'm working on the purl side of a stockinette piece and just going back and forth. Got a kind of a long yarn in here, but that is a good thing because you want to have several inches, and see, you just check and make sure that you're not letting it show on the front side, and go back in one direction and then change directions to, whoops, here we go. You just change directions so that whenever you wear this item or use it or put it in the laundry, your ends will be secure. They won't pop out. They won't show. And see here on the right side, it didn't show. And just keep weaving that until you get real secure with the fact that your yarn end is there.